Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your credit card for AIB Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in aib.ie and press enter. You will now be taken into the official AIB Bank website. Now from the homepage, click on the login button at the top right corner and choose your appropriate login portal to log in. And then you can click on the continue button and you will be asked to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your registration number within the first section and then enter your 5-digit personal access code or your PIN number. Once you enter your code, click on the login button and you will be logged into your AIB Bank account right away. Once you are logged in, you can simply hover over to the credit card section and you will find the option to cancel your credit card. If you don't find this option, from the homepage scroll all the way down and you will find the contact details button. Go ahead and click on it and you will see the number that you can call in order to reach the AIB customer care. You can call this number and simply tell them that you wish to cancel your card. After letting them know about this, you will be guided through the process that you can follow in order to cancel your card from the team. And there you have it. That is how you can go about if you wish to cancel your credit card on AIB. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.